Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome to part 42 of the most popular video series, Cute Small Apartments Creative Design Ideas. In this video, we will show you other 33 new and amazing examples of how to make the most of your limited space and create a cozy and charming home interior. Whether you need inspiration for your living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom or home office, you'll find plenty of ideas in this video that suit your taste and budget. So let's get started and see how you can transform your tiny space into a cozy and functional home. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends and themes for your home. Thank you for watching and happy decorating! Let's start our presentation with this design idea. This small apartment has a corner open space that combines the living room, dining area and kitchen. The color palette is light gray and beige, creating a neutral and elegant backdrop for the furniture and accessories. The large tile flooring adds a sense of spaciousness and continuity to the space. The white floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light and offer a panoramic view of the city. The windows are covered by transparent drapes and beige curtains that can be adjusted to control the light and privacy. The furniture is stylish and comfortable. The accessories are minimal and tasteful with some plant lamps and artworks. The second design idea is another contemporary modern design. This small apartment has a compact open space that integrates the living room, kitchen and dining area. The laminate flooring adds a warm and natural touch to the space. The large openings lead to a beautiful balcony that overlooks a lush garden. The living room and kitchen face each other, separated by an oval wooden dining table and 4 chairs. The furniture is stylish and modern, with a sofa, a coffee table, an armchair, and an ottoman. The accessories are minimal and elegant, with some plants, lamps, and artworks. Here in this image, you can see another small apartment design. This time in a typical Nordic style design. Again, large ceramic tile, flooring throughout, glass wall and sliding door to a large patio. Beautiful light, grey, blue and white color combination, which together with the natural wood color bring a fresh and airy look to the interior. Let's step now into another typical Nordic style apartment. Cute apartment design with the square, compact open space in white and beige hues color combination. The square layout and the intelligent placement of the furniture against the walls with an empty middle of the space makes the space extremely functional. Several well-chosen decorative accessories such as plants, floral arrangement, modern paintings, decorative pillows complement and beautify the overall decor. The small apartment from the image has a long and narrow open space, gorgeous laminate flooring wall to wall, large windows on two sides let plenty of natural light get inside, opening to a small patio. The space is divided into two areas, kitchen, dining area and living area. Simple but elegant interior decor. This charming apartment in a well-chosen color combination has a simple, affordable but bright and inviting open space in white, beige, brown and soft green color palette. The large windows, the white ceiling and the light color hardwood flooring create a spacious and bright feel. The space opens to a large patio. The furniture and accessories are simple but comfortable and stylish. And that's it for today's video on cute small apartments and creative design ideas. I hope you enjoyed watching and got some inspiration for your own space. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know which apartment or design idea was your favorite, or if you have any other suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. You can also check out some of our other videos on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.